So guys, we've reached the end of this course, and I'm just going to recap a few of the things that you've learned so you remember them. The very first thing we looked at was how Xamarin Forms apps should be architected, and we went over the MVVM paradigm. Now, ideally, that's how you want to perform things using MVVM when it comes to Xamarin Forms. Then we created a quick start Hello World, the classic Hello World, to get an idea and a feel of what's going on with portable class libraries and individual projects. Then we created something a bit more in depth, the Just Do It ×1. And inside there, we looked at how to modify our XAML views. So if I just open it up, we looked at how to have entry boxes and save things to shared storage, or the shared preferences that are available on each platform. Finally, we had a look at the granddaddy of them all, Just Do It X10, where we learned how to create a list, and in this list we populated it with items from SQLite databases. We also looked at how to bind variables two ways inside of our apps. So every time I change something in a text box, it automatically changes in the variable in the code behind it. And that's where the MVVM view model starts to come in really useful. We also looked at the previous app, how to install Google Ads, because after all, you want to get paid for your hard work, don't you? Of course, we also looked at how to fire up a new view controller or activity from another one. Alright, that is the recap complete. Join me in the final lecture where I have a special bonus just for you. Okay, all that remains is for me to say thank you so much for listening to this course. I hope you got some real value out of it and you understand Xamarin Forms. All you need to really remember is how to bind your data and how to use databases and list views. Those three things will stand you in good stead throughout anything that you want to develop. Just before I go, I have one final offer for you. If you rate this course with 5 stars, then you can also drop me a message and ask me to do an extra lecture on any subject of your choice, as long as it's not too long, as long as it only takes 5 minutes. I will then create these in a bonus section of this course, so you won't have to pay for them, they'll just be part of what you've already paid for. Once again, thank you so much for listening.